How to install Disney Plus on Samsung TV. First of all, get your remote, whether that's the Samsung Smart TV remote or the universal remote like this one here. Click the home button, it should be in the middle of your controller there. Then you'll want to go ahead and click left until you get to the app section like I have here. Then just click enter on that. Once you're in the app section, you want to press up on your controller until you get to the top section where you can go to the right and then click on the little magnifying glass, which is the app search. Once you're in there, just go ahead and type in Disney. It should be popping up in the top left hand corner after you type in DI. Then once you've done that, you'll be able to click on the app. If you've not installed it already, there will be a install button where you can press that, it'll install. And once you've done installing it, it will load up where you'll be able to sign into your account or create a new one. And you'll be able to put it on the home screen by pressing the settings, then click add to home. Leave a like on the video for help, subscribe for more helpful videos.